Hey, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to install Telegram on a Windows 10 PC. Now there's two methods to do this. We can either install the app or use a web-based version. The first version we're going to show you is how to install the app on a Windows 10 PC. So we want to open up our browser, head over to Telegram. The official website is telegram.org. And when you get to the page, you can see that there's many versions here. If you click on the apps at the top, you'll see all the available options. Under desktop apps, you'll see Telegram for Windows and Mac. Here's the web apps, we'll be doing that later. We're going to click on this link. So here's the desktop. We're going to click on Get Telegram for Windows, and it's going to download it. It's a very small file. This is a pretty quick installation. We'll click on Open, close our browser, and the first thing it wants to know is the language that we're going to use. We're going to select English. And then we have destination folders. We're going to use the default one, but you can click on browse and you can change that to whatever location you'd like. And in here, we're going to leave the start menu folder. We're going to leave it as is. We want a desktop shortcut, so we'll leave that selected. Click on next. And here we go, it's installing. And we want to leave the launch Telegram checked. Click on finish. And we're going to open up the application automatically here. Now it's going to go through a verification process, and we want to select the country, and we'll type in our phone number, and it's going to text us a code. Okay, so the code will show up on my phone in just a second here. And here we go. I'll start typing it in. They give you approximately 2 minutes to enter in the code, so it is time sensitive. And once that's done, you can type in your name, your last name, and then click on sign up. So we're in Telegram. This is how the interface looks, and you can change it. You can click on the menu here, and it shows you your personal information. Dark mode, you can turn it, and you can see that the background has changed. And in settings, you have a lot of standard settings that you get in messengers for notification, privacy, chatting, your default folders, advanced settings, and so on. So this is what the desktop application looks like. You have a shortcut on your computer and you can launch it. But if you want to access Telegram temporarily, you can just open up a browser and use the web application. So nothing's actually installed on the computer. It's a temporary way of accessing Telegram. So you go back to the website, click on apps, and then you'll see web apps. So you click on the Telegram web app version. It's going to go through a very similar verification process for signing in. Again, you're going to select your country and you're going to put in your phone number. It'll verify your phone number is the right one. Click OK, and then it's going to text you a code. Now you see that it popped up in the corner, and the only reason why I did that is because we already have it installed, right? But assuming you don't have it installed, it's going to text you the same way, and you check your phone, put in the code, and it'll log you in. So this is how the desktop interface looks. Yeah, here's the text message that I would have received on my phone, but it showed up here. And then you have all the very similar settings that you have in the desktop application, but it's the same thing in web mode. So you can change your username, you can create new groups, new chats, and everything else, and you'd use it as the same way. So these are the two methods to access Telegram on a Windows 10 PC. I hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.